Okay, listen. When I first started vlogging, I made a big mistake. I had my studio camera, 24 millimeter lens, microphones, the whole 9 yards. And guess what? None of it worked. So how do you fix something like that? Well, the answer is this. This is the Fly Mile Trinity. At least that's what I call it. It's made out of 3 parts. Look at what you get. Check it out. You have this CNC machine cage with all the mounting points you need and extra protection. You have this technical grip that serves as a selfie stick and a cool way to hold on to your merchandise, and the magnetic field light. These 3 things together make the holy trinity of vlogging. So let's talk about it. First things first is this. Now, this is the CNC cage. It's made out of CNC machined aluminum, and it is amazing. So this cage has all of the cutouts you need and is engineered to precision. So let's take a look at them. Watch this. Number 1, you can easily get to change the batteries. There's this little button on the side right here. If you can see that. All right, so the little button, you push it, opens up, and you can easily access the battery. So winning. Also on that side, look, 1/4 inch screw hole. You can easily just screw this on to any mounting point that you need. And then on top of that, it's magnetic right here. So if you have the mounting clip it on, magnetic. And that's really good for vertical video. If you don't want to use the custom framing option, all you have to do is turn it vertical, clip it on, and it's good to go. So let's talk about the second part of this. Let's go. So here's one of the most important parts of this whole rig, and it's this. This is the Fly Mile Mini Tripod. Functions as a tripod and a selfie stick. Let me show you. Now, it has a contoured grip, easy to hold, even for big hands like mine. Look at this. It works. So check out the parts to this. Now, number 1, the grip, perfect. Contoured grip, if you take a look right there, easy, won't slip, won't fall, and it has like this silicone on it where it's comfortable to hold for long periods of time. All right, look, cold shoe mount right here. So if you have to mount a light or a receiver for a wireless microphone, go right there. So there's 3 more things we need to talk about with this. Number 1 is the mounting point. This is just like the DJI magnetic mount. And just like the mount that comes with the Action 6, it can fit any direction. So watch, I put it on like this, it fits, easy. Then what I'm gonna do is flip it around the other way and it fits, no problem. Designed just the same. So let's look at this little trick. So there's a little knob or handle right here. When you loosen that, it releases the ball head. So let me show you what happens. So when you release this, look what happens, look. It can go down and you can turn it around any way you want. Action 6, Fly Mile Holy Trinity. Let's go ahead and loosen this, the ball head. Oh, look, you saw it fell. But you can get more creative shots. If you want to quickly switch to vertical video without going into the menus and do custom framing, well, look, here you go. Or you can turn it up. Or if you wanted to get creative and hold this flashlight style, let's say if you're doing this, look. It works. Now on the bottom here, you see that? That is our release point. When you push it, the legs open up and the tripod takes into effect. So this can be a desk tripod, or you can set it on the ground for low shot. And here's the best part, watch this. This extends. This extends about 2 feet. So now you have distance. I want to show you the importance of using this selfie stick. So I have my camera tilted at a little angle, and I'm able to hold it out from my body to capture more of the background and more of me. And look, I can easily turn this way like this, and you can see more of what's going on. And it keeps it from shaking around so much. Now, I know we have Rocksteady on this, and everybody uses it. But with a selfie stick, it doesn't have to work as hard. Then you can do cool things. You can get an extended view. So look at this. We'll just turn around, and there we go. So watch this. An aspect of this cage is the cold shoe mount. If you are using a wireless microphone and it's not one of the DJI branded ones, like I'm using now, Mic Mini, well, you need to plug up a receiver. And the problem I used to have with that is that I had wires dangling, or sometimes the the whole receiver would just be hanging off, and I had to make sure it didn't fall off or get damaged. DJI Mini receiver, cold shoe mount. Watch this. I'm gonna go ahead and slide that right in here. So I'll slide it in, and look, my receiver is securely on the Action 6. One of the biggest problems that I had when I used non-DJI mics or when I had my Action 3 is that the receiver would always hang off, and I had to connect it via USB-C to here, and I didn't want to damage it. So I couldn't do any like fast movements or things like that because the receiver would just fly off somewhere and I couldn't find it. So with this, it securely holds it in place and it's good to go. All right, I'm gonna show you something. This is crazy. So this is the FlyMile Mini Field Light, and this thing is crazy good. Watch this. It connects right to the bottom of the CNC machine cage. Let me show you how it works. It has these same little grippy things here. And look, you just put it on and it is attached. And look, it's not going anywhere. This little light is USB powered. So you have the USB charging port right here, and it only has 2 buttons. It's simple to use. You have the manual temperature setting button and the brightness button. And this also doubles as the power. Let's turn it on and see what happens. So I'm going to turn this on, and you see that is the low setting. But if I push it again, let's see, low, medium, high. Okay, there we go. And temperature settings. Okay, so I was editing video tonight, and I realized that when I showed you this field light, that it was in the daytime, it was in the morning, even though it's foggy, but you could not see the effects of the light. So I came out here tonight to show you exactly what it looked like. So let me go ahead and turn this on. Wrong button. All right, ooh, that's one temperature. And look, we have 3 different color temperatures there. You can clearly see. Now I'm gonna show you the intensity. So watch this. So that's medium, that's high, and we're back down to low. So here's the big question. Is it worth it? When you look at the price versus performance, this is worth it, because look what you get. Just these 2 pieces, less than 50 bucks. You get a CNC machined aluminum cage with all the mounting points you need, and everything is easily accessible. And you get the selfie stick, which is the skeleton of this whole thing. It's very important. And if you feel like it, you can always add, hold on, it's in my pocket, clips right on. So is this worth it? When you look at what you pay versus what you get, I say it is. All of these 3 pieces, you can spend 50 bucks, maybe a little bit more depending on how you catch it. But you get the CNC machine cage that is accurate. I mean, the mic holes are there present. You can easily get to the power buttons, and the USB door has all of the mounting points you need. And the selfie stick tripod extends out much as you need for quick vlogging. And when you push the button, look, transform to a tripod. Good to go. If you need a light, filming at night or low light, very small, very powerful. So what do I think about the FlyMile Holy Trinity? Actually, I like it. I've been using it a lot lately. It makes it easier to vlog with. And we're all about making things easy, because these days you don't want to walk around like I did with this huge camera and get unusable footage that's not good for anybody. That's all I got for now. You know how I always say, I love you, God loves you too. Have a blessed day.